Hi and welcome. Basically, we're going to go through how to sync up audio with a microphone with a video camera using Adobe. Basically, in the background, and I'll zoom in, we've got Audacity in the background there. It's basically just recording mono channel from the USB microphone. And what I'm looking into now is DSLR camera, Nikon Z6, and basically that's going to be recording the video footage and audio. In a moment or two, I'll cut to importing the footage from the camera into Premiere Pro, and then I will export the audio and then just walk through the process of syncing both up. So, without further ado, once you've got your audio and your video footage onto your computer, so basically just put the memory card in, downloaded it to my desktop for that little intro sequence. We can drag that over into the media library like so in Premiere Pro. I've already done this just to test the theory, so that's why there's duplicate clips there. Basically the voiceover, basically I went into Audacity, nothing special, just export as MP3, give it a name of voiceover. I've already done this, so it already exists. Click OK, we're done. And then you basically drag and drop that in next to your clip. Once you've done that, just basically select the clip you want to use, and then the audio clip that you recorded, right button click, and look for something called merge. If I can find it, where is it? Merge clips. Once you click merge clips, give this a logical name, so I'm just going to call it this one V2 because I've already done this, so I don't want the file names to overlap. Basically, click OK. That should have processed, and you can see down here we've now got something called this one V2. So basically, double click that. Should open it up in a little preview window, and if I just scroll forward a bit, this is me just fidgeting about, get myself prepped. There's a clap noise. How impressed I am with that. So that was the intro that I was going through. The audio from the microphone is now synced with the video clip. Then it is just a case of removing the bits that you don't want. So anywhere about there. Mark it in, mark it out. It may take a moment as the process finishes in the background. So I'm just going to skip to here's one I prepared earlier. So basically I've marked in where I think that I want to start the video. So for this, I do want the clap in because it illustrates my point, but you'd basically cut in after the clap. It just depends where you want it to be, but that loud noise is just purely for syncing the clips up. So as I'm in 5.1, this may look a bit different, and I'm just going to drag that in and then play it back. Hi and welcome. Basically, we're going to go through how to. So as you can see, everything's synced up. I do have some funky channel mappings in there, so don't worry too much about that because it is in 5.1 format. I'm just messing around with a couple of things, and this is my default template for now. It's kind of a film template that I've made myself, sort of thing. So the audio and the video are all synced up. It's in timeline. It's all gravy. And go through effect controls. It's just bugging me a little that my head's chopped off. Big forehead. It's just bugging me a bit there. So on position, click on position, and I just want to bring that down a bit. Where's the frame? There. Just dragging it with the mouse, and then just final tidy little adjustment with the arrow keys. That's all fine. Not keyframing or anything. So basically, you can now go and play that back. Hi, and welcome. Basically, we're going to go through how to. It's as simple as that. So if you like the video, found it useful, please like and subscribe. I don't post that much, so don't expect too many videos. Cheers.